In this video, I'm going to show you how to paper trade on TradingView mobile app. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up any chart. As you can see, I'm currently on the Bitcoin chart over here. And then down at the very bottom where you can see it says community, above that, there's like a symbol, which is like an arrow up, arrow down. So tap on that symbol, there we go. And it's going to actually open up the trade with your broker window. And what you want to do here, as you can see, the first thing on the list is paper trading. So if you want to start paper trading here inside the mobile app, just click on paper trading over here, and then here you simply have to tap on connect. And when you do that, as you can see, there we go, I've now entered paper trading inside TradingView, and then in the very top left, you can already see there's the sell and buy button. You can go ahead and just tap on buy or sell, and there we go. As you can see, your market orders, and your orders will get executed, okay? Now, of course, you could go and tap at the very bottom right where you can see those three dots, and then from here, as you can see, it says you're currently on paper trading, and you can, of course, go ahead and do different things. You could go and, of course, put on some indicators. You can compare things, add on alerts, stuff like that. And if you actually want to enter paper trading, you can just tap on it, and as you can see over here, it's going to show you kind of your orders, your positions, your order history, stuff like that. There's a bunch of different things you can see, and of course, when you tap on the exit top right, you'll exit it and you'll be back on your chart. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.